Hello students, good morning. How are you all of you? Fine. Okay, very good. So students, from today we are going to start second semester syllabus from our English textbook. So are you ready? Yes. So our today's topic is we are opposites. Opposite means completely different. A person or thing that is totally different from each other. Opposite means not same. Okay, I am giving you few examples. See, in this picture you can see there is a big parachute and small balloons. So big and small, these are opposites. What is the opposite of big? Small. Okay. See, here is a hot soup and in the next picture there is a cold ice cream. So hot and cold, these are opposites. Same here. The giraffe is tall and rabbit is short. So tall and short, these are opposites. In the first picture, you can see there is a dog inside the kennel. And in the second picture, you can see the dog is outside of the kennel. Means inside and outside, these are opposite words. Next, the truck is heavy and the cycle is light. So, heavy and light, these are exactly opposite words. Okay, these are totally different from each other.
So today we are going to learn opposite words in a new way through the poem We Are Opposites. So let's begin. Open your English textbook, page number 42. Now first we will read the poem. We are opposite. We are opposites and I will tell you more. I say after and you say before. I come in and you go out. We are opposites. Let's give a shout. I look up and you look down. I like to walk. You run to town. I am small as smaller can be. You are big, much bigger than me. I say stop and you say go. We are opposites. I told you so. We are opposites. It's like I said before. Think on your own if you want any more. I think it's hot. You think it's cold. I say it's new. You say it's old. Here are two children. There is one girl and boy. So girl and boy, these are opposites. And what they are saying? We are opposites and I will tell you more. I say after and you say before. So here after and before, these are opposite words. What is the opposite of after? Yes, before. And what is the opposite of before? After. After means बाद में and before means पहले. I come in and you go out. We are opposites. Let's give a shout. The girl is saying, I come in the room, and the boy is saying, you go out from the room. We are opposites. Let's give a shout. Here, in and out, these are opposite words. In means अंदर and out means बाहर. I look up and you look down. I like to walk. You run to town. In the second picture, you can see children. The girl is looking up. She is looking towards roof or towards the sky. And the boy is reading. And for he is reading book and for he is looking down. When you are reading book, you have to look down. Yes, so up and down, these are opposite words. Up means upar, downs mean niche. I like to walk and you run to town. Here, the opposite of walk is run. Okay, walk means chalna and run means दौड़ना. I am small, as smaller can be. You are big, much bigger than me. In this picture you can see the girl is looking small. And what is the opposite of small? Yes, big. The boy is looking big. So small and big, these are opposite words. Small means chota and big means bada. And smaller and bigger, these are also opposite words. I say stop and you say go. We are opposites. I told you so. I told you, no? We are opposites. Yes. So I am saying you stop. And you have to do opposite of this stop means you have to go. Yes. So stop and go. These are the opposite words. Stop means rukna and go means chale jana. We are opposites. It's like I said before. We are opposites. Boy and girl, these are opposites. It's like I said before. Think on your own if you want any more. I think it's hot. You think it's cold. Yes, I think it's hot. The girl is feeling hot. That's why she wears cotton clothes. And the boy think it's cold. That's why he wears winter clothes. Yes, so hot and cold, these are the opposite words. What is the opposite of hot? Yes, cold. Hot means garam and cold means thanda. I say it's new and you say it's old. The girl is saying it's new means naya and boy is saying it's old. Old means purana. Understood, students? Now students, come to the page number 43. Read aloud and say faster and faster. We have to read these words faster. Brown, frown, dear, near, walk, talk, chalk, cold, old, gold, small ball, all. What these are? These are rhyming words. Brown, frown, dear, near, walk, talk, chalk, cold, old, gold, small ball, all. Read aloud the words in the two boxes given below and find the pairs of opposite words. For example, LOST lost and FOUND found. What is the opposite of lost? Found. Here are some words and we have to find the opposite of these words given in the box. Okay. So AFTR after. So what is the opposite of after? Yes. BEFORE before. HOT hot. Hot. Cold. SMALL small. What is the opposite of small? Big. UP up. What is the opposite of up? DOWN down. NEW new. Opposite of new is old. OLD old. LEFT left and RIGHT right. Opposite of left is right. STOP stop and opposite of stop is GO go. IN in. OUT out. HERE here and THERE there. Opposite of here is there. Now next, look and say. LOOK look. Say after me. TOWN town. BIGGER bigger. THINK think. OPPOSITES opposites. GIVE give. SHOUT shout. ANYMORE anymore. S-M-A-L-L-E-R, smaller. S-A-I-D, said. Circle the word that does not rhyme with the rest. First one, M-O-R-E, more. S-C-O-R-E, score. D-O-O-R, door. D-A-R-E, dare. So, more, score, door. The ending sound of these three words are same, but the ending sound of dare is not matching with these three words. So, dare is a odd man out. So, we have to circle it. Next, G-O, go. S-O, so. D-O, do. N-O, no. Go, so, no. The ending sound of these three words are same, but the ending sound of do is not matching with these three words. So, which is the odd man out? Yes, do. So, we have to circle it. Now, next, D-O-W-N, down. T-O-W-N, town. B-R-O-W-N, brown. O-W-N, own. So, own is odd man out. We have to circle it. F-U-N, fun. R-A-N, ran. G-U-N, gun. S-U-N, sun. Fun, gun, sun. The ending sound of these three words are same, but the ending sound of ran is not matching with these three words. So, R-A-N, ran is odd man out. We have to circle it. G-A-M-E, game. S-A-M-E, same. N-A-M-E, name. C-O-M-E, come. Game, same, name, and come. So, which is the odd man out? Which word does not rhyme with the rest? Yes, C-O-M-E, ka. B-U-S-H, bush. B-R-U-S-H, brush. R-U-S-H, rush. C-R-U-S-H, crush. Brush, rush, crush, and bush. So, which word does not rhyme with the three words? Yes, B-U-S-H, bush. Understood? Bye-bye.